Okay, well first let's look at some of the shapes of the main chords in double drop D tuning. Let's start with a D chord. So we'll put our index finger on the second fret of the third string. We'll put our middle finger on the third fret of the second string, and this is an open D. For a G shape, we will put our ring finger on the fifth fret of the sixth string and the little finger on the fifth fret of the fifth string, and this is an open G. For an A, I just use my index finger and bar the first four strings of the second fret. So the first, second, third, and fourth string with the index finger, and starting on the fifth string, which is an A, we have an A chord. So for a D minor shape, similar to a D major shape, put the index finger on the second fret of the third string and the ring finger on the third fret of the second string and the middle finger up here on the third fret of the fourth string, and this is a D minor shape. For a C shape, I tend to use something similar to the A, so we'll slide the A shape up 3 frets, so putting the small finger on the first, second, third, and fourth string up on the fifth fret, and the index finger here on the third fret on the fifth string. This is a C, starting on the fifth string. And for an A minor, we will play similar to standard tuning, except the little finger goes on the second fret of the first string, the index finger goes on the first fret of the second string, the middle finger goes on the second fret of the fourth string, and the ring finger goes on the second fret of the third string, and this is our A minor shape. So these are just an example of some of the chords in double drop D tuning. There's obviously a lot more chords we will be using, and all of these chords are in the tablature of chord shapes in double drop D tuning.